Spectacular. Sel Beyonce and DJ Names. 3 to 6 p.m. on the Gagasi Fast Lane.
Talking about amazing times, we're about to have one right here on the show as well because she's here.
You're scared because you think it's going to be hard. Once you're in it, you realize I wasted so much time. The theater part of my life was amazing. It sharpened me so much. Beauty is the confidence, actually. Theater is immediate gratification. You see the people, if you're bombing, you can tell. You have to be self-disciplined. You gotta wake up, you gotta warm up your voice, you gotta be limber with your body.
Lord, if you just crack the door this much for me,
Yeah.
I got the rest. You won't have to help me much after that. And yes, he did. He cracked that door just a little bit and I busted it open.
Yep, it's Joanne Monica. Nakubo bambiza ngoma lineka. Joanne njani?
Sanibona ninjani ngiyaphila ngiyabonga ukuba nani la ekhaya.
So it's amazing to have you in the house, man. It's been a very long time. I think over 6 years now.
Yes love.
I was doing the maths ukuthi yay.
Afane ngabe mina ngi-weekend fixture bakithi kanti yini ngowasemalisburg bakithi.
Talking about being from Emmarisburg, from Mbali as well, ne? So when I get to understand ukuthi bewungane enjani ukhula, ne? Were you the time udlala ushumpu ngaphandle nezinye ingane or in the house, you know, like with my dolls and having like a bit of a doll house? Which one were you?
Ingane yasekhasi phakathi endlini khohlwa. Sina sinezilonda amadolo abolile inxa zokudlala.
We got scars, child.
Scars from the streets.
Donki, ushumpu, amagenda. Bungeke ngithinte bebe ngiyingane nje ethanda ukudlala, bengiyi late bloomer so ngidlale all the way into matric nje. Befana ngabe sengiyajola kodwa cha bengisadlala shem.
Sweetie, love it. Just like me. Listen, you grew up in a black area with a black mom and brother. You being a mixed race child, I mean, do you have experiences caused by your skin tone that led to mental issues?
Nhlanhla leyo uma wami ongikhulisile bakithi she was almost like a protector of ingqondo yami.
Nice.
No, nhlanhla le ikhanda has always been on straight. But ukukhula as umuntu ofana nami in a neighborhood yabantu abadaki bengilibe ngithinta inwele, thiwacela ungiphi inwele, ngicela ukhuluma isiZulu.
Akaze udayise nje mhlambe like kube tempted.
No face. I khazona bezizindi impela kodwa bengicela ukukhulunywa isingisi mase ngithi mina and say what mase bethi I say what umzwelo. So bengi fascination egazi.
Amazing.
Nice.
Joanne, you've spoken openly about Ama beauty standards and confidence. Could you share just your thoughts on pretty privilege in the entertainment industry and how you navigate those perceptions while staying true to yourself?
Wow, beautiful question. Yazi ukutshela iqiniso bengazi ngebeauty privilege until like later in my life because mina bengithi bonke abantu yabo bavulelwa icapha emotweni kuthiwa adlula wena qala bengithi bonke abantu bosisi bathola le treatment efana neyami until ngizwe kwabanye ukuthi uvulelwa isicapha indoda wena ukazi utshelwe ubizwe ngamagama ebusweni so only now ekukhuleni kwami sengiyayibona leyo nto I guess nginenhlanhla ukuthi ngikhulele ekhaya ebelibeka ibeauty as the very least most important thing ngomuntu. Yes man, it's about how you make people feel, it's about ingqondo yakho, it's about ukholo lakho, it's about indlela oziphatha ngayo ukuthi umuhle should be and then also muhle. It should be the least important thing and I think ngoba ngikhuliswe kanjalo nami ngikhule ubuhle kungayona into ebalekile.
But also in schools lezi sihamba kwesinye isikhathi I mean siyamaza umntwana obabayi siyayazi ingane enhle esikoleni whether it's in primary school khona ingane yinhle leyangane leyani wena uzomodela uzoba umsimani bani and things like that. I'm sure esikoleni wawuthola leyo attention leyo.
Yeah, for sure mnganami. Njoba futhi bengiyitomboy ke ngikhula bengayena ugeligele. So bengiforcwa uma kuma pageant yohamba yobuma isama lapha ya ubuma Valentine lapha yana. Uma befunela ipentshisi lakhe libonwa abantu shame. Ayikabi. But cha no, ubuhle ekhaya bekuyinto engabalekile kakhulu.
Let me just look for you very quickly Beyonce because umuntu ama all star uthi ngibona namhlanje ufake.
Yeah.
Hayi abantu bayashintsha bakuthi imali yashintshana akasefaka i all star.
Ufake namhlanje.
hayi no asishiye nje lapho
Ufake retro something.
Uyabona nje. So we need to ask you this question as well before we go to $8, right? There's been so much of a spotlight like this year on co-parenting relationships, and I mean there've been so many interviews like that you've done sharing about Sukuthi you are co-parent, obviously no time Mngolo. With where you guys are now in your careers and confidence nempilo, how is that co-parenting relationship going?
Yazini, anything can always be better. Anything. I don't think isifike endaweni yazabantu nje la sinqoma khona uthi athina siyashaya thina. But into engiyibongayo kakhulu is that akaze kube nenzondo phakathi kwami noThamsanqa, akaze kube nengxabano, even ukuhlukana kwethu bekuyisivumelwane bengakhona ukuthi sekuyazondwana. And I think because besazi ukuthi sabantu abazokhulisa ingane for the rest of our lives bawonye, we didn't ever introduce inzondo. So ingane zazi ukuthi abazali bayazwana, bazothi bawo best friend.
Yes.
Mangimba dropper uyabathatha naye ababuyise. Ayikho inkinga ngabe ngiyamsukela.
I even find it difficult lento ukuthi sivisane we came to a mutual agreement ukuthi nje soba uthu sizohlukana. Angikwazi ukuhlukana nomuntu guys, angazi ukuthi ngikwenza kanjani. You guys are lucky. Angikwazi ukuhlukana nomuntu. Hayi ngiyanibonga ke.
Let's take a quick musical break, Elana, on the fast lane. Here's some Beyonce. Hi, when I said Beyonce Tula.
Spectacular. Sel Beyonce and DJ Names. 3 to 6 p.m. on the Gagasi Fast Lane.
So many years. I mean, I first saw you like Sel Beyonce actually spoke about on Umubango back in the day. I've seen you go through Istingo, Rhythm City, Intersections, to name a few, plus all the ones that you've done in like within the last 10 years as well. And Nguningi, yabona makuthiwa khona umuntu oxakekayo nje if akathi hey bafethu angiboleka imali ngoba nginayo, and that was you. Ngaba ukuthi qamba manga, because I mean, as far as I know, you're always on TV, you're always working. So why I'm asking that, like rather like why I'm saying that is to ask you, Uti, out of all of those characters, which one do you feel like Awonale was more closer to Lucho and Wangempela?
The very latest one I've played, UBK on Bad Influence. All the other characters, they are very ladylike. They are feminine. Sisabagqoka ingubo namahili, bafaka inzipho, amawigi, anginjalo. Ngumuntu weteku mina ngumuntu wejini
ne-afro.
Yes, ne-afro and no makeup preferably. So UBK finally akayifaki makeup. Umeluku uthula nje ekhanda nkosiyami ukuvuka nje ayobonwa abantu usuke se right. Iskipa ujinanyana onga10 futhi nakhona uyabona uRT. And then aphume ayoba busy ngelife, and she's also closer to her masculine energy than she is her feminine energy. So I didn't have to find her in the air. UBK is 80% Joanne.
And for umuntu that doesn't know like what we're talking about, UPK is the latest character that Joanne is playing on Bad Influences.
Yes.
It is fake. Sis, you better shut
The
your mouth.
Louis V Murakami Bologna shoulder bag is a rare limited edition collector's item. Louis V bags are also made from canvas or leather, and I can tell from here that yours is PVC plastic. So I'd think twice if I were you about posting that with all your followers.
Yes. But also, not only that, my babe, you also have another role. Ekhona njengamanje la there's a YouTube series that you guys are doing which is making massive waves on the internet. What is it called again? No, like
it's called Shut Up Men Are Talking.
Yes, it is huge. It is huge. How did that come about? Iyafika nini kanjani? Because mina ngathi kwase ngihlangana nakithi mayibo idlala bleshandis lena.
Show ka Chris Q Radebe lena ubhuti beyibhalele umuntu othize kwi industry, one of our most amazing actresses in the industry. Kodwa bengabuzange elangeni ngamenzane ngafika ke mina ngamele ngayintshontsha leya party ngamphutha nje izandleni usisi wabantu ayikabi because isingithintile istory sikalo sisi, but more than anything is strength kaNontobeko yokungavumi yokungayiaccept lempilo lena. So ngi attractwe amandla akhe, and also like ukudlala uanti engikhule nabo laba uNontobeko bengidlala oanti bami for the first time, iPhinifa iDuku uqhubeke.
ngine feeling angazi ngine feeling ukuthi mhlambe ibhalwa I don't think yayibhalwe mhlambe iwona uYouTube maybe yayibhalwa somewhere and then mhlambe abantu kumele ukuthi beyicommission bavesana mhlambe bayithathela kancane I just have a feeling Christopher Sane what you know what so ifaka uYouTube yavesana yenza mawaza am I correct
uthinte khona yes ubut Chris ugcine ishooter out of his pocket lena uhambile wayoboleka imali eningi ngoba ubefuna ukucasta lo muntu amfunayo ubefuna ukuba ne voice kwi show yakhe because sometimes masithatha channel kuzomela ishintshe ibile into abayifunayo so ubhuti wayishooter out of pocket abaningi bethu basebenze for imali encane with the promise yokuthi mhla ingathengwa then uzophinda sikhokhele so the waves that Shut Up Man is making manje I'm so proud of him ngimfisela konke okuhle ngifisa ngathi imali zakhe zingabuya tenfold ngalomsebenzi awenzile.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Amazing. Joanne, what can SA expect from you in the coming future?
Hey, lo mbuzo lo ipressure ngaka Nkosi yami.
Yazi weyo. Mawukuthi abangaziyo la emhlabeni bayazi ukuthi ngiphila 1 hour at a time. So angikwazi okuphambili uNkulunkulu kuphela okwaziyo lokho. Mina nje owami umsebenzi ukuthi ngibe ngiqhubekile ngiwalka ngiyohlezi ngiyithola la fanele ngibe khona.
Man, it's been absolutely gorgeous Joanne. Akuthi sikhulume nawe uNkulunkulu aqhubeka akubusise njalo mntakama wena and your craft. Uqhubeke nje njalo. It's absolutely gorgeous to watch. I do not want to lie. Where do we find you on the socials?
Konke nje under Joanne Renica. Bengifuna nje uku-add nje lana wena Sel Beyonce ukuthi njengoba season 2 bad influencer ephuma sithandwa sami khona nje enye iphathi.
Phuma nini?
Yeah.
Khona enye iphathi asinike 2 years but
okay.
Yeah, sithatha isikhathi but khona namfethu into enkulu kangaka ithatha isikhathi.
Yeah.
But khona iphathi engiyifisela uSel Beyonce bakini.
La babhali.
Ayikabi mina ngizokubeka uyofika uyilanda.
Kazi uzobe etholephi le live le emsakazweni Sel Beyonce. Sel Beyonce right lapha.
Ayibosiboneke na Sel Beyonce.
Shithani on Saturdays and Sundays asifuna ukuzwa.
Yebo simuthanda kodwa sinithanda nonke kodwa nje uSel Beyonce Nkosi yami usishaya ngaphakathi.
Oh, thank you so much. I love you guys too.
Into soyilo Sel Beyonce after this show. It's 17
right nani kodwa nje yena.
Oh baby.
Gagasi FM.